Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. And well, I got this image and I have this image, which is made by Adobe Photoshop, used a filter called Find Edges. And I'm going to create something different, illustration type or watercolor type, I don't know yet. I'm going to make something interesting image from these two images. Well, let's get started. I'm going to move this empty layer in between these two, and I'm going to change the pencil drawing type image, blend mode, normal to darken. Then, well, maybe tone down this base image. Well, let's see. I'm gonna paint on this empty layer with watercolor brush this time. Okay, let's see. I go for watercolor wash flat. Okay, I'm gonna change brush, watercolor wash soft. I'm gonna turn it off, this base image. Now I know where to put. Okay, I'm going to add some different colors to make something interesting. Okay, I'm going to add another layer here. Okay, go for these white rocks. Again, I want to paint something different. Okay, this rock is kind of interesting. Okay, I'm going to add another layer here. Then I'm going to move on top of the sky's color. This shadow area. Well, I'm going to paint base color of the rock. Now I'm going to add another layer here. Then now change the brush, watercolor wash flat. Then overall light base color. Pretty nice color. Now I'm going to check the tone. Okay, I'm going to add another layer. Okay, now, okay, ooze a little bit, so I'm going to add water. Okay, pretty interesting, I think. Now I'm going to merge down. Now I'm going to add layer 2. Add some greens, this dark dot, dark green, moss green, huh? I think this kind of green, but doesn't have to be. Add some moss greens, a little bit saturated. Well, I think that's it. And just, okay, merge down. Then I see different rocks. Okay, I'm gonna add these plants here. Yeah, it's brownish, but I'm gonna add some green to make it alive. Now I'm gonna add green on this. Okay, not much. Okay, now I'm going to push down. Now I want to see the greens. Okay, add on this rock layer. Behind this tree, there's a greens. That's far way back. So, I'm going to add another layer. Well, I'm gonna paint on this layer for this brownish and shadows first. Okay, now I'm gonna do that. Let's see, tone down, turn it out. Let's see some texture. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm gonna add some here too. Okay, this is sky, so I'm gonna add another layer for these greens back all the way, far way back. Now I see overall. Now, okay. Tone this one about 50. Base image and the skies are just right on 100, normal. Then this is, now just add green. I'm gonna merge down with this. This is rock and stuff, rock and trees. Now I see this image tone 100% now. This one is 100 also. Then I see this pencil drawing type darken. Okay. Then everything's okay. Instead of this base image, I see now. Okay. 30%. Then I'm gonna tone down with this. Let me turn this off to see these colors. Turn this one off. Let me check. Turn this one on. Then merge down, opacity 100. Leave these skies. Okay, merge down. Now we have sky, and this is background. Let me see, this is pencil drawing. This is base image. Now only 10%, 15%. Okay, skies, just leave it that way, and this is the color. Then let me change this. Look at this divide, kind of interesting, isn't it? Well, let me see everything now. This time I like this one too, luminosity. But subtract, divide. Why don't I keep this divide? Okay. I'm gonna duplicate layer, then keep this divide. Change name. Now divide 50%. Then I'm gonna turn this one off now. Then I'm gonna have this goes to, yeah, I wanna see a linear burn. I like that. Okay, keep this now. I'm gonna duplicate layer, then change this name, linear burn, about 50. Now turn it off. We have this image first. This is, you're gonna see that divide 50. This makes a nice cloud here. Okay, turn it off. The next one is linear burn 50. This one makes nice pencil drawing type image. Not in cloud, only tree. Now off. Then third one is turn on. Now it's not touching yet. Now see, we have color burn. Well, I had linear burn on top, second layer. This is a linear burn, 50%, second layer. Now I'm gonna go this, lighten, well, luminosity, 50% now, around here. Let's see, but combination though. Let me turn this one on. This is 50, right? This is linear burn shows more colors. So I don't want to show this much. Then this is divide 50 shows lighten up, so which is interesting. Okay, now first of all go for this base image. Okay, everything's on now, but I'm gonna turn these off. Kind of complicated. Now only, well, let's see. First go from this nice cloudy background first. So now I'm gonna create empty mask and invert mask, painting to wet brush 1. Alright, now I go turn on next one, much more darker, linear burn, so wanna see this dark lines. Okay, now I'm gonna create empty mask, invert mask. Now from here, change the brush basic to soft round size flow. Now I'm gonna make third one, luminosity, create empty mask, then invert mask. Now same brush, soft round size flow. Now from here, combine together, so let me see, select multiple, 2 of them. Sky blue and magenta color, go up all the way top. Now if I tone this one down, you see the texture of this one comes from here, so I'm gonna hide kind of pattern or texture background. Now see this, you only want to see the watercolor texture. Okay, I'm gonna create empty mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal this one too. Some place I wanna turn it white. Okay, I'm gonna make mask on this. And also here, red, create empty mask. Let's see, let me change this. Yeah, I don't think I need this mask here. So I'm gonna clear this mask, cut mask. Then also this one, cut mask. Now only skies. Okay, let's move this one. Go down. Well, should be all the way back, huh? How about this one? No, this one goes up. Yeah. Okay, in this case, goes to dark. A little bit later. Look at this. Okay then. About luminosity, about 30%. Yeah, I'm gonna make this. Well, okay, I'm gonna add another layer. Then yeah, now how's that look? Okay, well, how about base image all the way max? Yeah, well, I guess that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. And well, I hope this movie is pretty complicated, but I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao.